Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, as you can see, it's late in the night, but we're outside transforming our back porch. We love this porch so much. We spend so many times outside and we decided to give this, a vamp up. So we're just going to show you a little of what's going on. And I think that night we finished around 12 because we were outside doing all kind of crazy trying to set it up. But we'll keep you posted, and I'm just going to show you a little of what's going on and how it's coming out so far. It's not finished yet, but trust me, you'll definitely see the finished product. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, just take a look at what's going on. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Peace out.
See the pressure I'ma feel. Go on my bed without meal. Journey when me try the tougher than steel. Never sell out, me keep it real. I will leave a work me put in for reach. I saw must me not turn back not all. Put in the work daily, me no stall. Mommy want a house, me a go hard for her. Will leave a work me put in for reach. I saw no God, me not turn back not all. Yeah, the hill steep and the journey far. Although the sun hot, me a walk it all. Love rock, me see the pagans them. Far me stay from them. Them don't know me struggles, but them see the name brand them. Well, leave a stress till done face from the age of 10. But real water man carry daily and no paper and pen. Big up me dear one friends, me know all who real and all who fake from way. Since me get a bust it cause me a problem. Crackers, anyway me go people that play me song them. Well, if I work me put in for reach. As I love rap me not turn back not all. Put in the work daily me no stall. Mommy want a house, me a go hard for her. Well, leave a work, me put in for reach. As I know God, me not turn back, not all. Yeah, the hill steep and the journey far. Although the sun hot, me a walk it all. Girl, and I'm not the best, but I'm trying the best to be the best. Take on the road, forget the bread, come in, no need no stress. Me life not easy, me and no G's and feel no people test them. Grudge me for me things, that's why they must know the evilness. The crazy than them want police arrest. True me murder poor life and a step to me visa next. Them send the vampire to eat my flesh. Tell them say I wish I bless. Will leave a work me put in for reach. As I love rap me not turn back not all. Put in the work daily me no stall. Mommy want a house me a go hard for her. Will leave a work me put in for reach. As I know God me not turn back not all. Yeah, the hill steep and the journey far. Although the sun hot, me a walk it all. Girl, and me see the pagans them. Far me stay from them. Them don't know me struggles, but them see the name brand them. Well, leave a stress till done face from the age of 10. But real water man carry daily and no paper and pen. Big up me dear one friends, me know all who real and all who fake from way. Since me get a bust it cause me a problem. Crackers, anyway me go people that play me song them. Well, if I work me put in for reach. As I love rap me not turn back not all. Put in the work daily me no stall. Mommy want a house, me a go hard for her. Well, if I work me put in for reach. As I know God, me not turn back not all. Yeah, the hill steep and the journey far. Although the sun hot, me a walk it all. Girl, and not turn back not all. 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 Struggle real, yeah. The struggle real, real, real. Well, if I work, we put in for reach, yeah, so. Not turn back, not all. No, not turn back, not all. Well, if I work, man, put in for reach, yeah, so. Not turn back, not turn back, no. Love Rock Entertainment.
Hey guys, so yes, this is the next day and we lay down the turf grass. This is it. It looks so good. It feels so natural like the real grass, so soft, so flushy. Everything, we're in love already, and it's not finished as yet. And as you can see, we already had the mesh up and everything was up. We just had to put the drapes, the chairs and the tables and some flowers and some lights and get it cozy and nice and get that, get that feeling. Yes, that cozy feeling we're trying to get. So yeah, we're still working on it. It's not finished, remember I told you, but once it's finished, you'll be seeing the finished product and you're gonna see the transformation, guys. This is so beautiful. We're in love with it already. We can't wait to have dinner outside right here because we plan to do a lot. I went to Home Depot and I got some flowers just to put inside. So you'll be seeing all of that when that's done with the chairs and everything. So don't forget to like, share, comment. Until next time, stay tuned.